So a perfect example today of exactly what I described yesterday. So I always wait for the 8:32 time period. Automation triggered a long. So we had a long in the mom signal. We pressed, and where were we when we pressed? That big press. We're outside of the bands. Do I want to be long there? No. So as the trade is pressing, and the automation, I put it in short only mode. When the price is outside of the bands, I only want to be short on the upside. So first trade made a little bit of money. First short, the stop got almost perfectly top ticked. So it came down, and when it lifted, because I'm not playing the long side, I left the short trade on, came up, ticked me out. So I had one winner, one unit loser, then a second short, and that one worked out fantastic. So way over daily goal on both accounts. Now here, we have some pivots, another double pivot. We came up and we're rotating down. I threw in a little liquidity. It just seems like to me this market's going to break down soon thereafter. I got another short signal. And the short that I was in when it was scrubbing out, I blipped it out. So I decided to put some of it back on and, see what we get. But for the most part, if we don't get, and this is kind of the level that I was paying attention. There's a key level here. I wanted to see if we could get down. For the most part, we've kind of gotten down to that area. So if this doesn't head down, I'm just going to blip the trade out and call it good. I'm way over daily goal. But exactly in the video I talked about yesterday of trading with the super bands, when price is outside of the super bands, I don't want to be taking long setups, with the automation. I'll work short side only. First one didn't work. Second one worked fantastic. So money on the long, automated, a 1 unit loser. So it was almost a 2 unit win, 1 unit loser, and then a 3+ unit winner. So that was way over daily goal. I bumped position size up a bit on the two shorts. Since we're way outside of the bands, I knew eventually we're going to get some mean reversion. Not necessarily all the way back to the mid band or the other side, but I mean, that was the most joke of a rally last night. I mean, the institutionals come in and pump these rallies, and they basically push the market up to an area so out of the open they can turn around and distribute into it. It's just institutional games. But anyhow, two short side trades. First one was a loser. Second one worked. So two winning trades out of three on the automated, and way over daily goal. Matter of fact, I'll blip this out and call it a day. So very, very good day here on the two master accounts that are talking out trade activity to follower accounts. So there you have it. I just wanted to point that out, that was perfectly, or like the perfect example of what I was talking about yesterday in one of the videos, where I specifically put out a video saying, how do I use the super bands in conjunction with trading automated? And that's how. Okay, let me pull up some info here real quick. So if you have any questions on the Algo IQ program and access, you can go take a look at www.gridalgo.com, or just go to, or if you have questions, just send me an email to info@gridalgo.com. So there you have it. The system, the way I traded it today, I was long short out of the open because we were very bullish, and I knew there was a level that was up here that I thought we might go sweep, and we swept it. I think on this push, we finally swept that level. So long side, decent win. Short side, a loser. And then the third automated trade, playing short only mode once we push this range extension and we are outside of the bands. Two in a row, and the second one worked out fantastic. Okay, there you have it. Algo IQ program from gridalgo.com.